Heredity and Evolution.
Learning about speciation. Speciation. A species is a population of organisms consisting of similar individuals which can breed together and produce fertile offspring. Species can be of plants or of animals. Sunflower, lotus, humans, tiger, dog, etc. are all examples of various types of species. The human beings who look so different from each other in terms of size, color, and looks are said to belong to the same species, Homo sapiens, because they can interbreed to produce fertile offsprings, son and daughter. The process by which new species develop from the existing species is known as speciation. In simple words, the formation of new species is called speciation.
Evolution
Of eyes. The eye is a very important organ for animals. The eye is a complicated organ which cannot be generated by a single DNA change. The complex body organs of animals, such as eyes, have been created in stages over many generations. First of all, the rudimentary eye, basic eye, like that of flatworm, planaria, was formed. The eyes of flatworm are very simple. They are actually just eye spots which can detect the light.
Evolution
Of feathers. Birds evolved feathers as a means of providing insulation to their bodies in cold weather. But later on, these feathers became more useful for the purpose of flying.
Evolution
By artificial selection. The farmers have been cultivating wild cabbage as a food plant for over 2,000 years and have produced or evolved entirely different looking vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi and kale from it by artificial selection. Some farmers wanted to have very short distances between the leaves of wild cabbage and produce the common variety of cabbage. When farmers opted for the arrested flower development of wild cabbage plant, it led to the production of other variety of cabbage called broccoli. Some farmers went in for sterile flowers of wild cabbage and developed another variety of cabbage called cauliflower. When farmers opted for the swollen part of wild cabbage, it led to the
evolution
of a yet another variety of cabbage called kohlrabi. And finally, the farmers wanted to grow large leaves of wild cabbages and ended up producing a green leafy vegetable called kale, which is also a variety of wild cabbage.
Human evolution.
Human evolution has been studied by using the various tools of tracing evolutionary relationships like excavating, digging the earth, carbon dating, studying fossils and determining DNA sequences. Identified on the basis of their skin color and named as white, black and brown. It is now known that the so-called human races have not evolved differently. There is no biological basis for dividing human beings into different races. All human beings, whether white, black or brown, are a single species called Homo sapiens. Summary. Complex organs may have evolved because of the survival advantage of even the intermediate stages. Organs or features may be adapted to new functions during the course of
evolution.
For example, feathers are thought to have been initially evolved for warmth and later adapted for flight. That is all in this lesson, students. Enjoy learning.